The RCT Food Partnership is a network of organisations, individuals, businesses and public services who are all brought together to try and make RCT the most sustainable place it can be when it comes to food. There's lots of different people and organisations that are involved in the RCT Food Partnership doing amazing things all across the county.
So we bring in young people that don't fit into mainstream education, and they come to us on long-term placements where they learn how to grow food, they gain qualifications, and then we support them on to next steps. And we also grow food for the community. It doesn't matter what sort of issues they may be coming with. It gives them employability skills, you know, that are transferable. The food partnership for us, it sort of brought all of us together. Gives us the opportunity to share knowledge, to share resources. So we all work together very closely and we're all very supportive rather than, you know, competing.
I have always wanted to be a part of a garden. I love gardening. It's so peaceful. It's a lot of fun here because it's just peaceful and it just helps you relax. I quite like it.
So Down to Zero are a project in mae'n near Talbot Green, and they grow produce to put into their flush box, which is available for residents of RCT, and it delivers all across RCT.
Having a healthier diet is not a knowledge gap, but it's actually the access. Down to Zero is a community benefit society and social enterprise, and we help tenants, staff and the community improve their access to local, healthy, in-season food.
I like working outdoors. I've been outdoors all my life. I don't like working indoors. I took a job where I was indoors and I wasn't my true self. I like to be outside. I like to see the production of the veg growing. And obviously the flash box is my little thing to get off the ground, and I am passionate about it.
I think people really appreciate having access to the outdoors in a supportive environment. None of us are perfect growers. I don't think that exists, but being in a supportive environment with other members of your community is really invaluable.
The RCT Food Partnership has been involved with the Trehybert initiative to facilitate the actions and the change that the community want to see.
This is kind of the hub for us in the community. It's get really busy on days, and been really busy today. To get any kind of food in this community, you kind of have to travel out to the area really. So one of the factors we looked at about people's health inequalities in the area was access to affordable fresh fruit and vegetables, and that's why we started doing this once a month. The community are invited in, and then they can access our fresh fruit and vegetables here once a month at a cost-effective price, really. We keep everything down under at least £1.50, so you won't find anything in here that's more than £1.50. So far, it's proved really successful, and people have really taken to it.
The main ask was access to good quality, affordable food. As people in this area, they can't get to a low-cost supermarket. They really struggle with transport, and even if they can get transport, it's trying to carry the produce home. So a market like this is bringing fresh fruit and vegetables on the doorstep to people living in the area, which they really desperately need and want.
We go out and we try to understand what people's lives are like and what is strong in the community, what's good in the community, what we can build on. We agreed that what we needed to do was take the food to where people were, and that's what's different about this, is it's a response to what the community has told us and trying to design around what we've heard.
The work that's been started off in Trehybert and it's been started off in mae'n and in Abercynon, they're all pockets of greatness, and how can we make sure that those can continue and we can continue to work together to change the environments that everyone in RCT lives in. And I am the greatest believer that food is the best way to bring people together.